Where shall we meet? Where shall we meet? हम कहाँ मिलेंगे? What is the reason? What is the reason? क्या वजह है? क्या सबब है? When did you come? When did you come? तुम कब आए? कब आया? Is it yours? Is it yours? क्या ये तुम्हारा है? It is not mine. It is not mine. ये मेरा नहीं है. Do it properly. Do it properly. इसे सही तरीके से करो. You cannot do it. You cannot do it. तुम ये नहीं कर सकते हो. Let me go to do it. Let me go to do it. मुझे जाने दो कि मैं ये करूं. I will meet you in a while. I will meet you in a while. मैं तुम्हें थोड़ी देर तक मिलूंगा. Will you really come? Will you really come? क्या तुम वाकई आओगे? She was crying in the room. She was crying in the room. वो कमरे में रो रही थी. I will think about it. I will think about it. मैं इसके बारे में सोचूंगा. Reach on time. Reach on time. वक्त पर पहुंचना. He doesn't come here. He doesn't come here. वो यहाँ नहीं आता है. May be possible. May be possible. शायद मुमकिन है. I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say. मेरे पास कहने को कुछ नहीं. Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. फर्श झाड़ो. Since when? Since when? कब से? He doesn't seem to be here. He doesn't seem to be here. ऐसा लगता है कि यहाँ नहीं. Who is there? Who is there? वहाँ कौन है? Don't clutch me so tightly. Don't clutch me so tightly. मुझे इतनी सख्ती से मत पकड़ो. I no longer need his money. मुझे मज़ीद इसके पैसों की ज़रूरत नहीं है. I no longer need his money. You have humiliated me a lot. You have humiliated me a lot. तुमने मेरी बहुत बेइज्जती की है. I will not give up. I will not give up. मैं हार नहीं मानूंगा, शिकस्त नहीं मानूंगा. I was just sitting. I was just sitting. मैं बस बैठा हुआ था. Why did you go there? Why did you go there? तुम क्यों वहाँ गया? Console him. Console him. इसे तसल्ली दो, इसे दिलासा दो. This is Tim's book. ये टिम की किताब है. This is Tim's book. You humiliated her. You humiliated her. तुमने इसकी बेइज्जती की. Don't embarrass me. Don't embarrass me. मुझे शर्मिंदा मत करो. This is sufficient. This is sufficient. ये काफ़ी है, बहुत है. It is enough for me. It is enough for me. ये मेरे लिए काफ़ी है. I am taking bath. I am taking bath. मैं नहा रहा हूँ.